PAIS brings together data science, material science, and really a lot of the most pressing technologies and skills that we're trying to train students in today. And the national labs, the startup community here in New Mexico, all of the most fast-growing sectors of our economy are supported by the education going on in this building. The Center for the Advancement of Spatial Informatics Research and Education, or ASPIRE, was established in 2020. It brings together spatial data scientists to share resources and expertise, but also to enable cooperative research and education programs across the many disciplines and units that leverage spatial data collection and analysis to answer core questions in their own domain.
Testing out, calibrating, getting ready for this aircraft to head out into the field. It's got a color infrared and thermal sensor on it here that we can relate to carbon flux measurements so we can understand how much carbon's heading into the atmosphere when their forests are dying or burning.
So it houses our many aircraft, sensors, GPS and survey systems, servers, computing hardware, high-resolution screens. But what Aspire will really be used for is building a community of practice. This is a critical, high-demand, intersectional field, and making better training, resources, and expertise available to the UNM community at large, and positioning UNM for excellence in spatial data science research and the many fields that employ it is what we're trying to do. The research activities of Aspire are all interdisciplinary and span a range of application areas, technology development activities, and funding sources. Collectively, the initial participants' research activities represent 9 of 10 of the GI Science research priorities codified in the University Consortium of Geographic Information Science's 10 research priorities. With research expertise in spatial modeling, cyber infrastructure, spatial epidemiology, remote sensing, spatial cognition, and machine learning. In addition to industry and government partners, Aspire faculty collaborate with researchers from almost every college on the UNM campus. In the lab, there's space for writing down ideas, presenting to peers, and working collaboratively to interpret or optimize visualizations. Behind the walls is the computing infrastructure required to store, move, and analyze the massive data sets we routinely work with. This space makes all of our work more efficient through its technology and systems, but it makes our work better and funding proposals more competitive by enabling students and faculty to learn from each other, wrestle with problems, and ultimately develop better solutions.